Hey, welcome back everyone. I hope everyone is staying safe out there and avoiding the COVID madness. This video is not sponsored and it is representing my own opinions. Now, I've had this GoPro for a couple weeks now and I'm starting to put it through its paces. And since I have the subscription, I thought I'm going to take a look at some of the accessories. But even with the discount, you still end up paying sometimes the shipping cost, and it adds up and it can be kind of pricey. Now, I did surf Amazon and I found an accessory package, which I did purchase, and it came with this monopod extendable, and it really does extend and you can get some reach, but just by looking at this thing, it is garbage. It's really cheaply made. I wouldn't trust anything on this, let alone a $300 GoPro. That's when I came across the Ulanzi MT-16 extendable tripod. Now this package included the GoPro mount. So the price was about $24. It looks sturdy and I like that it could be used on multiple devices, different cameras, smartphones, everything. After having this thing for about a week, I can say that I am 100% happy with this purchase. It is made of plastic, has a very smooth ball head. It looks and feels to be like an aluminum. It all range, and once it's tightened, it is very strong. It doesn't move at all. It's very easy to put on and it just twists in place. And I like that if you want to do like those vertical shots, you can twist it in a 90-degree angle, which is really handy. And it, like I said, it's not going anywhere. It extends up to 22.5 centimeters, which isn't as long. I'd say some might like real long reach, like if you're on like a jet ski or something. But for me, just simple vlogging around the house, outside with my kiddo, I think it's perfect. It sits upright. And I will show you kind of here. Get some good shots with it. I did like a little family portrait with my husband and my daughter. It stood fine. The bottom is really nice. It has magnets that keep it together. So there's you have to pry it apart to get it open. Very easy to use, and this is only going to come down if you really force it. It's not just going to collapse on you. You have to put a good bit of force, and it will also sit up just like that. Do kind of a lower angle shot. It's very nice. Now on the side, you can see there is a little hot shoe mount. I actually was kind of questionable about that. I don't have an external microphone yet, so I wasn't sure if I'd use it, but honestly, being lower, I feel like it's kind of in a better position for your face, and it might be better to talk to that rather than if it's up top or something. So I do like it, and it does turn, but it's not just going to twist off or anything on you. It requires a little bit of force. Now, Ulanzi does make the GoPro Shorty, like a very similar model. I kind of wanted the one that was a little bit more money, a little bit more versatile for different scenarios. I have used my small Canon M6 Mark II on this. I probably would not put a heavy DSLR, and I only had the kit lens on there. So it held it fine. It definitely, if it's got something heavy, it'll wobble a little bit. So I wouldn't be a little cautious with an expensive camera, but with a GoPro, it works fine. Okay, so I switched over to my GoPro to show you what the Canon M6 Mark II looks like on the Ulanzi. In this mode, it's fine. Extended, you can see it's holding it, the ball joint. And it's holding it pretty straight, but it is pretty heavy. I don't know if I'd go any bigger camera than this, but you can angle it, have a good little vlog setup, and the screen on this flips up, so naturally that hot shoe mount is kind of unusable if you're vlogging. So it is nice they have this down here. You can kind of put your mic. I did note Ulanzi has lights that have hot shoe mounts attached and a lot of different accessories to take a look at that you could really have a good vlogging setup with. But I'd use this to take a family photo, and it did fine. I mean, you can set it up full height and it would hold it. As you can see. And you can, I don't know why you would ever do that severe of an angle, but you can see, look, pretty much down 90 degrees, and it's holding my camera fine. So now, I did buy this on Amazon. I can put the link below. Right now, actually, though, Ulanzi's website has this on sale for $15.95. Now, it does not come with the GoPro mount, but you could probably find those on Amazon cheaper if you're trying to save some money. I've never bought from Ulanzi's website, so I don't know how it is. I mean, everybody buys from Amazon, so you kind of know what to expect there. I would definitely buy this again. Let me know what you think below, if there's any other accessories I should try for my GoPro, and also if you do have the official GoPro mounts, the tripod, the handy, any of those, please let me know if you think they are worth the price, because I'm really curious about that. I am probably going to do the little Amazon accessory kit video, because there's some stuff in there that could be a little bit garbage and not worth it, and I kind of think people should know that. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks.